this? What the?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Bear Adventures. It's Kay, and I'm here with something different. I saw somebody on YouTube try this fish recipe, and we still have some carp left over from that fish I caught about a week ago, but I had them frozen, so I unthawed them. And we're gonna try some fish dumplings. More like fish empanadas, because they didn't actually have the actual dumpling wrappers. But we have the wrappers here. We got some chives, a couple of eggs for some egg wash, so we can fold them together, and a little bit of ginger root. All right, I figured today would be a good day to actually break out my knives, so I'm gonna grab those and we're gonna get started. So I'm super excited to use them, can't even lie. I'm gonna use that one, and probably this little one here. So all my knives recently just came from Amazon. I will link them in the description below, so you guys can actually take a real look at them, okay? So we're back at my favorite park. You guys will be familiar with this park. It's John Prince Park I usually come to do some cooking videos. I've actually bought a brand new pan for this because I needed a pan with a lid, so I kind of went over the top. But we have my little grill here. We can see if we can bring Cassie some lunch today. Sounds like it's gonna rain soon, so we want to probably move faster with this. All the ginger smells really good. Fish will do last. That'll probably take the fastest amount. Actually, it might not take the fastest amount of time because I still have to pick all of the bones out. Looks good so far. All right, let's move on to the fish. Gorgeous fish, amazing fish. Cutting through that like butter. So apparently we have to get this into really, really fine chops, really thin pieces. This fish was so good, y'all. Like, I still can't believe how good this carp was. Haven't had a chance to eat it because me and Cassie have been going to her grandmother's house for the last couple of weeks, like for 2 weeks in a row. So we have not been able to be home. Oh, I feel some pin bones. There they are. All right, now that we have it where we want it, dash of salt, Got these from Amazon also. Really, really good. Dash of pepper. That was more than a dash, but close enough. We'll mix it in together and add it with our chives. All right, so far so good. We're gonna cover this up and we're gonna clean up a bit. So I'll be right back and we'll get this started. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Ponzu sauce. I got this from a couple of people on YouTube. A lot of people use this stuff on YouTube. Very good for fish and things like that. Kind of tastes like soy sauce, but to me it tastes a lot better. It's more of a citrus taste, so we're just gonna get a little bit of that in there. All right, one down. All right, so we got 4 ready. I'm trying to be as quick as possible because it's definitely looking like rain. Everything is, thunder's cracking. Oh God, I hope I make it. I don't know if this pan is even heating up. The pan isn't even getting hot, guys. I'm stubborn, so I'm gonna fight this wind. All right, you guys aren't gonna believe this, but I'm actually in my trunk cooking right now because it got really bad really fast out here. I don't know how safe this is. I don't care how safe this is. I will cook these dumplings before they get too soft. I can't believe the weather right now. It is absolutely insane. Can't lie. They already smell good. It is definitely hot in here. Whoo boy. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. The sky is cracking. And I'm under a bunch of trees and rubble, so it could get bad quick for me. Let's see if we can make these dumplings in the storm, guys. Oh my God. You know what? They're not ready to flip anyway. Oh my goodness. I'm really in the storm, guys. I was hoping I had a spatula in here because these chopsticks may not do it for me. We're gonna try though. Jesus. I've never had to struggle so hard to cook before. This is ridiculously insane. A little more olive oil. There we go. We gotta make sure that this fish is cooked all the way through. I am hot. So I only made 4, so I put everything else back in the cooler. So, you know, it stays fresh. Because it is fish, and it'll go bad fast for ice. And a nice cooler. This cooler will survive for about 4 to 5 days with good ice. It's already raining, but the rain is like it's passing right over me. Like I can't even feel it right now. Like it's definitely coming down, but I can't feel it because I'm underneath my trunk, so I'm okay. We're almost done here. They're hardening up, which means now we can add water and let them steam. All right, they should be ready. Steamed dumplings, baby. I must be crazy. I must be insane, guys. But I did it. Oh! I am insane! Alright, we in the car. Oh my god. And it's raining like crazy, man. It's actually slowing up now, but it's intense out there. Guys, these dumplings. Just so smooth, and they're still like, I don't know if you guys can see the steam coming from these, but yo. You guys, I just want to say thank you for liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I do it for y'all, man. I really do. I came out here, didn't know it was gonna rain, still got my dumplings cooked, still might be able to bring Cassie some. And they are so good. So thank you guys, all right? I'll see you guys on Twitch, and I'll see you guys back here maybe in a couple of days, all right? I had to get out some good content for you guys because it's been a while, all right? So I hope this was good enough, all right? Thank you for watching Bear Adventures, guys. This is Kayla. I'm signing out. Yee! Jesus, hydroplane is real. I can't see nothing. There she go, y'all. I brought her the food. So let me tell you what happened to me, bro.